next sasabihin ko, karon lang pala.
God, you stupid! Why is there having a Diddy party here, bro?
Didi
They have a Diddy
party.
party!
Didi party na, Didi party.
They have a Diddy party here!
Didi party.
What is this Diddy? Oh,
Part 8, part 8, part 8, part 8, part 8.